Well, we have very beautiful, very charming, very elegant Ishita with us, who will be playing the role of Arundhati in her latest serial. So it's a girl जो बहुत dreamy world में रहती है, प्यार में believe करती है. Is Ishita something like that? मतलब कहीं आसपास character के इशिता भी revolve करती है?
येस डेफिनेटली आई थिंक बचपन से ही शाहरुख एंड सलमान की फिल्म देख देख के बड़ी हुई हूँ. सो इज ऑलवेज दिस ड्रीम फैक्टर वे यू फील कि सम यू नो कुछ कुछ होगा, लाइक यू नो समथिंग, कोई वो सिग्नल आएगा वो सिग्नल आएगा और मैं समझ जाऊंगी कि दिस इज़ द वन. सो आई ऑलवेज फील लाइक दैट. सो येस, आई एम वेरी मच लाइक अरुंधति इन दिस मैटर, वेर आई एम ड्रीमी एंड आई कीप ड्रीमिंग दैट ओके समथिंग वेरी मैजिकल इज गोइंग टू हैपन एंड आई होप इट हैपन्स वन डे.
So it's a kind of role where it is purely positive character जो अपने ही world में रहती, ना किसी का बुरा करती है ना सोचती है, but she has always been tortured and like कहीं mentally उसको उसकी चाची परेशान करती है. Then of course वो जो चाहती है जीवन में, तो what kind of exact character is that? A strong पॉजिटिव कैरेक्टर, और आगे जाके वो अपना स्टैंड रखेगी अरुंधति?
आई थिंक वन थिंग आई वांट टू से इज कि विद चाची ऑल्सो जिस तरह से उसका इंटरेक्शन है, हाँ चाची इज़ वेरी बिटर अबाउट सर्टन थिंग्स, बट अरुंधति की अच्छाई ये है कि वो सिर्फ बिकॉज वो अच्छी है इसलिए नहीं कुछ नहीं बोलती है. शी अंडरस्टैंड्स वेयर चाची इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम. कुछ हुई है, या आप जब देखेंगे शो तो आपको पता चलेगा कि समथिंग हैज़ हैपेंड इन हर लाइफ. देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ रीज़न. कोई इंसान अगर नेगेटिव है, अगर ग्रे है, तो क्यों है, कोई रीज़न होता है, उसकी वजह से वो कड़वाहट जो है दूसरे लोगों पर निकलती है. एंड अरुंधति नोज दैट. सो जब भी चाची कुछ बोलती है उसको बुरा नहीं लगता है, बिकॉज
इग्नोर कर देती है.
इग्नोर भी नहीं, बट शी अंडरस्टैंड्स. उसको समझ में आता है कि मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि बुरा नहीं लगता है. ऑफकोर्स आई एम अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, तो बुरा तो लगता है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं उसको पता है कि यू नो चाची के साथ ऐसा हुआ तो शी इज़ बिटर. तो अगर वो थोड़ा रिएक्शन अगर निकल भी जाता है तो ठीक है ना. आई मीन एक परिवार में होते हैं तो अगर कोई थोड़ा सा हॉट टेम्पर्ड होता है तो किसी को थोड़ा सा कूल होना होता है. तो अरुंधति इज़ दैट बैलेंसिंग फैक्टर इन द फैमिली.
I think with the promos and trailers what we have seen till date, it's a buzz जहाँ पे हमें वत्सल सेठ का कैरेक्टर क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है कि वो नेगेटिव है या पॉजिटिव है. हमें एक लाइन है जहाँ पे यू आर पॉजिटिव, ज्योति जी इज़ नेगेटिव जो चाची हैं, बट उनका कैरेक्टर इट्स इन अ डायलेमा सिचुएशन कि वो क्या है. सो इज़ दैट ऑल अबाउट द स्टोरी, अ मैन विथ dual personality?
See, I think with Arav also you can't, I will not put him into any category. He's a different person. He has a lot of shades, a lot of character in him. Again, सबकी एक बैक स्टोरी है. सो एज एंड व्हेन यू गो एंड सी द शो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि हर पर्सन जो करता है वो क्यों करता है. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस थिंग अबाउट आवर शो कि सिर्फ नेगेटिव नहीं है, मतलब कुछ हुआ है उसकी वजह से नेगेटिव. सो सिमिलरली आरव, ही इज़ नॉट नेगेटिव, इट्स जस्ट दैट ही इज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट पर्सन. ही इज़ somebody जो firstly I think girls are going to really like him because he's perfect at the same time not so perfect, like you, and आप जानते हैं उसको but आप नहीं जानते उसको. So I think with every episode you will get to know a little bit more about him. I think
एक पन्ना खुलता जाएगा.
I mean he has so many pages, like इसके इतना है
50 shades of Vatsal.
50 shades of Vatsal, you can 50 shades of Arav, you can say that. So that is Arav, and I think that's a very interesting character. Like I keep telling him that, you know, because I'm a girl I can't play Arav, but I would love to play his character because as an actor also he has so much to show, you know, explore. And I think from whatever episodes I've seen, I think it's coming out really well, and I think he's a fabulous performer. So
filming for any movie and then coming to the daily shows, which you have done before also, but daily shows are more tedious because they are on a daily base. You have to work hours and hours, you have to be fresh, you have to be always on time. So is that something hectic after films? And if you have to choose one out of two, which
I'll tell you, in my life now I've never decided. When I started with TV also, people ask TV kyun, why didn't you start with films? Your sister has been in films and all, but I have never decided my life. Like in my life everything has just happened and I feel it's in my destiny and some kind of divine intervention. I feel somebody's there kind of just guiding me through. So TV happened and Drishyam just, I can say that it just kind of fell into place, you know. 2 days before the shooting I got the call and don't have to say. I mean, it's a fabulous film with a fabulous cast, and I'm so happy that I was a part of it. And it's a very good decision that I took at that point. And then this happened, and the show was very interesting. So I have never decided, and I don't. I remember when I did Drishyam, a lot of people said, "Acha, aap to TV nahi karoge abhi," and I told them that I know you'll not believe me, but the day I get a good role, I will do TV, and I did that because I don't see it as different. I'm an actor. As an actor, I did a web series for Viacom recently called Sodis. So again, that is something completely different. Like कुछ किसी ने मुझे पूछा अभी कि आपने South किया, you've done TV, you've done ads, you've done this, you've
And
done
the
that.
very nice answer you give is you are.
I'm an actor. You know, I'm an actor, and I don't think so. I need to say beyond that. Yeah.
Partially take one out
Yeah,
of so many. So the best part with your character in this Arundhati is like she is very nice. She's elegant. She wears lively colors. She's not that kind of girl जो बहुत मेकअप में है और जो मतलब she's not hypothetically ऐसी लड़कियां हमारे आसपास होती हैं और तो वही हमें दिख रहा है. So is that a plus point कि कैरेक्टर को बहुत ज़्यादा exaggerate नहीं किया गया है, but it is natural.
When I was speaking to my creative, the creative head Shabni ma'am, and she was sitting with me, and then my first question was that, how do you want the character to be? Because I would want to play a character who's very relatable, who's somebody जिसको मैं देखूंगी स्क्रीन पे तो I'll be like हाँ, you know, ऐसी लड़की इस सिचुएशन में ऐसा बोल सकती है. I didn't want it to be completely very loud or very subtle. So that's what I like about Arundhati is कि वो बहुत ही alive है. It is very true. So and my main intention throughout the show is going to be like कि yes, there will be situation where she'll stand up for herself. तो वो सब melodrama, drama, everything is going to be there. But I will try and keep it as realistic as possible so that I can relate to it. And like Jeevan Jyoti was saying, when you can relate to your own character, people can relate to it. So that is my intention and that's my aim.
Okay, so this is Hathway BTV. You are youngsters do love you. Boys do fall in love with you. But what message or advice, as in a part of youngster, as you are also a youngster, what advice or message you want to give to all the youngsters, especially over there, who may be into this field or want to be into this field?
I think firstly, you need to know that you really, really want it because it's not easy. It's very difficult. Every field is difficult, but इसमें क्या होता है because it's a very unusual field. It's a different city that you'll have to travel to. So firstly, you need to be very clear about that, and I feel like give yourself time, like always have a backup option because and it's not about success or failure. तो अगर कुछ नहीं होता है तो don't take it to your heart. It's okay. You know, life में you have to move on, and a successful person is a person who can stand up from the ashes also. So I believe in that. So I will not say don't try. You should try. If you want it, you should try so that tomorrow you don't regret in life कि मैंने तो कोशिश ही नहीं की. But at the same time, if things don't work out, move on. You know, try and find something else, and you know, do something with your life. So and very important, please talk to your parents or your sister or your brother or any one person who's your confidant, with whom you're very comfortable, because it's very important to have a support system. Like for me, it's my family. I'm very open to my mom and dad. I tell them everything. If it's not, sometimes family में नहीं होता ऐसा. So have that one person whom you can find your strength in. That's very important. So yeah.
Really nice. It was really nice talking to you, Ishita, and I wish you all the best for your character Arundhati. I think you're really rocking, and may TRPs will reach high and high and high. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was really nice talking to Jyoti, who will be playing the character of Chachi, like Tanvi Bharadwaj, and of course the very positive and main protagonist, female protagonist character, Ishita Datta, जो अरुंधति का character निभाएंगी. Both the ladies are charming. They are really into this characters, and I think सपनों का सौदागर बाजीगर is a new thing that we are going to see on television. So on this note, अब समय है कि मैं यहाँ से कल्टी मारूँ मेरे कैमरामैन के साथ, but अभी आप हमें feedback ज़रूर दीजिए. feedback@gmail.com पे. Till then, this is your chatterbox Joy signing off with the very handsome camera person Manish Rao जागे जी. उनके चेहरे पे स्माइल भी आ गई. You guys keep watching Hathway BTV, क्योंकि ज़माना है we the youngsters का.